Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to teach y'all how to get faster mobile data. So what y'all would do is go to the Play Store and download 4G only. It's an application. It's just an application. Then you just open it. You download 4G only. It will allow you to configure your network settings if your phone is not able to use the dial pad like this. If your phone's unable to use this code, if your phone, when you enter star pound 4636 pound star, if this code don't work on your phone, then you get this app right here, 4G only app. Then it allow you to use it. Then you gonna switch network. You gonna turn your radio off first. Turn your mobile radio power off. Then you're gonna switch it to switch to LTE CDMA for faster internet. If you're on T-Mobile or Metro, you can use that. If you're on other companies, like if you're on other companies, try GSM. The best one is GSM, CDMA, and others one, and it should be the top best one. So now we're gonna turn on the radio. It should connect to a new network, and we should be getting faster connection. Some people get 3 to 5 megabits per second download speed. Some people get upload up to 5 megabits. So we're gonna try to get to at least 12 megabits up and 12 megabits or higher. That's my previous one, but we should be getting new speeds. So we almost there. It's better now. It's working now. I'm getting good speeds. Then before I was getting 5 up. I'll show you my history, my result history. Earlier I was getting 5 up. I was getting 5 up. I was getting 5 up and 12 up. See, it have improved since I configured the settings. So yeah, I'm getting better speeds. So I'm gonna try again. So I'm gonna do a test call. So right now we're on preferred network LTE. Hold up. They don't supposed to be saying it's supposed to be preferred network LTE, not this. Trying to figure out what I forgot what I clicked earlier. So I will put unknown. It will just switch to. I guess it will do it. Okay, unknown. Now we're gonna see what speeds we getting now since we changed it. Oh, I told you. See, it's working now. There we go. We're getting the best speeds. It's getting better. So our speeds got better when I switched it to unknown. So so what I would do, y'all, I would keep on playing with the settings till it gets faster. Just download. If you want to know how I'm getting speeds, download how I'm getting results. Download speed tests. And you want to download this. You know about download that, and it will give you your speeds. So I just made this. All right, y'all. This is how you make your data fast. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this works on your network. I know some of y'all is getting 3 up, 5 up. I don't know how to unthrottle. I can't unthrottle y'all data. If you have an unlimited data plan and your data is going slow and you didn't hit the limit, this is how you get top speed data on Metro. So, like if you're in a bad area like me, I live in a bad area and I'm far away from the tower. When I get close to the mobile phone tower, it goes fast. But I'm not near no tower, so that's all I can get. This is the speeds you can get if you're in a bad area. All right. So I hope you like this video and subscribe. I will come up with more later on. Thank you.